Instagram, Just Kitchen in Facebook, Lucy Baby Family TV in YouTube. Guys, my new cooker. In what I go. So guys, come and see my new cooker. It's giving. Okay, guys, this my new cooker is my 1 month salary. Yes, this that you are seeing here costs more than this and this. I love it so much. Guys, come and see. Come and see. Technology finish all ever. Don't worry, I just added this thing so that you can see my cooker very well. This one is electric, So now, if I want to cook, I can't be scared again. See, how can I be using? I don't want to mention the name. So now, if I want to cook or cook for somebody, tranquila, I'll be cooking my food. It's giving. My money finish here, Hey, Just Kitchen, cook with Lucy in Instagram. Guys, please follow me. You see this money, I will cover it too. I must cover it. Yeah, you have 3 cooker, 1 here, and another 1 here, making it 3. I will still learn how to use it. Though I have already used it when I went to a course, Pasiteria. That's what we are using there. And over here, guys, watch. Over here, I have space. They just finished setting it now. I said, let me make a vlog. So here I will be adding my pot. More space I have in my kitchen. So thanks to you all. Follow me. Oh, please go and subscribe. Go and follow. You want to go? Okay, if you see me, or the no somewhere. You want to go? So I don't mind spending, for my kitchen cabinet, for my gas cooker, for my cooking, I don't mind. Love you all, and God bless.